Write the parabola y equals minus half x squared minus 3x minus 5 out of 2 in the form y equals a times x plus m whole square plus k by completing the square. Write the coordinates of the turning point and the line of symmetry of the parabola and sketch the parabola. According to the graph, write the values that x can take so that y is greater than 0. So to start with, we write down y equals minus half x squared minus 3x minus 5 out of 2, and then this is the expression that we have to write it in a square form. So to do that, we take minus half common outside the bracket, and it would become minus half. If you take outside the bracket, it becomes x squared plus 2.3x, because minus is already outside the bracket, and then minus 5 out of 2 remains as it is. This is written as minus half x squared plus 6x, and then minus 5 out of 2 is as is. Now then the 6x that you have, this can be written as 2.3x, of course we've had it before, and then you have to do the square, you have to add another square term. So this is the term that has been squared, so 3 square, and then you have to take away 3 square out of 2. That's so instead of saying 3 square minus 9 out of 2, it's plus, because we had minus already outside the brackets. It was plus 9 out of 2, and that gives us minus half times x plus 3 whole square and plus 4 out of 2. And this is better written as minus half times x plus 3 whole square plus 2. So you see, this is already now in the form that they have asked us to write it in, and that means a is minus half, m is 3, and k equals 2. From here, what we see is the parabola is inverted, so it's shaped like this because a is negative, and that's what I write down. So since a is less than 0, the curve will be inverted, and the maximum point will be minus 3, 2. So the next step is to draw it, and that's the turning point, and also the turning point will be minus 3, 2. And when you draw the curve, and you see this, and this one is the required point. So this is the point that is minus 3, 2, and the line of symmetry will be x equals minus 3. This is the line of symmetry as x equals minus 3. Okay, and the part B, we have to read from the graph. So I've again marked the points. So there would be minus 5, 0, minus 1, 0. So this is minus 5. That's minus 1. And where the curve cuts the y-axis would be 0 and minus 5 out of 2. So therefore, we can clearly say that x lies between minus 5 and minus 1. That's a part of the graph that is above the x-axis. So y is greater than 0. And therefore minus 5 is less than x less than minus 1. So I think that completes the answer.